Let's make my super quick all-purpose cleaning spray. You guys know I use this spray for everything, cleaning up my kitchen after I'm done, cleaning my bathroom countertops, and even wiping down my stainless steel. This mixture, which is only alcohol, water, and optional, a few drops of lavender essential oil. This is just my personal preference because I like the combo of smells. This will leave your stainless steel super shiny. You don't need those name brand, super expensive products that are just for stainless steel. You don't. You just need 70% rubbing alcohol. Do not use 90%. 90% is too harsh. It has to be 70%. We're gonna do equal parts 70% rubbing alcohol, equal parts water, and then optional, a couple drops of lavender essential oil. You don't need this. I just like the smell. Let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is measure out my rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna start with 1 cup, and then I'm going to do 1 cup of water, equal parts. So I'm doing 1 cup of the 70% rubbing alcohol, going right in. Depending on the size of the bottle that you're using, you might have to make more, you might have to make less. Just make sure that it's equal parts. I can go ahead and do another cup of the rubbing alcohol, and then I'll just do 2 cups of water. Now I'm doing 2 cups of water just to top it off. Adding in my water, I already did 1 cup. I'm adding in the last cup of water. And that's gonna be like right up to the top, but it's fine. I'm just gonna add in a couple drops of this lavender essential oil. I'm gonna only do a couple drops. Try to get it in there. This is just personal preference because I love the smell of lavender and rubbing alcohol together. I'm gonna put the top on, give it a little shake. Just gonna go like that. And I'm gonna go clean my stainless steel so you guys can see it in action. So here's my fridge. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it down. It's clean and shiny already, but I'm just gonna give it a nice little wipe down. I'm gonna use a microfiber towel, and then I'm just going to do one of these, and I'll show you when I'm done. And there you have the finished product. You see it's shiny, it's clean, it's disinfected, and it's streak-free. I use that for my stovetop, my oven, my dishwasher, and my microwave. All of that. Yeah, guys, that's my cleaning spray. Let me know if you make it, and I hope this helps. Besitos.